Have you been experiencing malaria all the time? Every time you keep on complaining of malaria. Malaria, malaria, malaria. Why? I know you have been asking yourself this question. Why? Now, here are the possible reasons why you are experiencing that reoccurrence of malaria in your body. Number one, it could be resistance. How does case of resistance comes about? You actually cause it by yourself, right? I think you know that. Because most of the time, you are given a drugs by a doctor or a pharmacist. You fail to take or to complete your medications. You fail to do that, and as a result, your body forms resistance. Your body fails to respond to this, current drugs you are taking because you have abused the drugs in the past. So your body is no more responding to that particular drug, and that is what we call drug resistance. It's no longer working with that, particular causative organisms. Never, it will not. So number two, it could be poor treatment. Now, when you meet a wrong person for treatment, what do you expect? Of course, they are going to give you a wrong treatment. Yes, you know that. Instead of meeting someone at the backyard, why don't you go straight to the professionals? Meet them. They are going to give you correct treatment, and sometimes you cause it yourself too, because most times, even when they give you the drugs or medications, or you fail to complete the dose, you fail to complete your medications to follow up, and at the end, the treatment will not work properly the way it should, and it becomes a problem. You thought the microorganisms or the parasitic organism is dead already because you took the drugs for just few days. So number three could be wrong diagnosis. When there is a wrong diagnosis in your body, what do I mean? Possibly you might not even have malaria. You may have different thing entirely, but they were telling you that you have malaria. Quite okay, it's possible that you have malaria, but there are other things that is disturbing you in your body. But nobody knew about it. They only diagnosed malaria. And the person thought, so it's only malaria you have. And they keep treating malaria over and over again. Meanwhile, you are suffering from other kinds of disease that you don't even know. And it's eating you up. So sometimes when you treat malaria for some time, please, when it becomes too much, go for proper medical checkup and let them tell you what is wrong with your body system. So number four is weak immune system. Now, if your immune system is weak, it allows any other microorganisms to invade your body. And when that happens, I think you know what it will look like. Then number five could be, if you are exposed to mosquito always, like depending on the environment you are living, it can actually cause that for you. You may be prone to malaria all the time because female anopheles mosquitoes are always around you, and they are ready to inject you with this particular plasmodium. So how do you think you can escape it? No, there is no way you can escape. So here are the necessary things you need to do to avoid some of these things. Now, if you notice you have been exposed to malaria a lot in your area, please clear your environment. Make sure your environment is neat, because this is actually what attracted them to your environment. Number two, clear those stagnant waters away from your area, because that's what mosquito breed on, and they lay their eggs, they hatch their eggs. Before you know, they multiplies and they keep biting you, giving you malaria often and often. So clear those stagnant water around. Then another thing is buy your net. please, very important. Then fleet and fleet your room very well. Fleet it. Make sure you kill all the mosquitoes in the house before you go in there to sleep. So if you like and love health tips like this, please just follow this page, click the like button, comment and share. Let's go viral. Thank you guys.